ka-chubby! It's day 3 ng ating Rome, Italy. So, for today's OOTD mga ka-chubby, kasi sobrang init, maybe around mga 28 or 30 degrees dito sa sa Italy. So, for today's OOTD, as you can see, naka-sleeveless pa rin ang inyong mga ka-chubby. At saka shorts and sneakers kasi ang daming lakaran dito. So, to protect your feet, so kailangan comfy yung inyong mga sapatos. So, that's all for today. See you later mga ka-chubby. Ciao!
Prossima fermata.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
Oh my God. Saint Peter Basilica. Oh my God. Dagang tao eh. Surrounded by. Makipila tayo. Let's do the pila. Where's the line? I think there is the line. It's almost 9 o'clock. Pero grabe na ang tao. Makipila muna tayo dito. Ito yung panghuling pila. May bago namang pumipila. Colbert is waiting there kasi ang init eh. Oh my God. Pila is life. Struggling talaga ang pagpipila dito. Kapag Katoliko ka, talagang regardless the line is, regarding how warm it is, talagang pipila ka. Oh my God. Andito lang ako. Tingnan pang nakapila sa akin. St. Peter Basilica. Christian. One of the holiness place for Christian people. Especially Catholic. Isa sa pinaka sagradong lugar ng mga Kristiyano, Katoliko. St. Peter Basilica. St. Peter Basilica. Clar. Sige, remote circle.
Next circle.
Ang sagradong lugar ng mga Katoliko. Grabe ang mga mga poste ba dagko kayo. para-paraan. Because ang init ng panahon now. Tingnan nyo. Shal. O, diba? Struggling is life dito sa Rome, sa Vatican. Yun yung ba, oh. Churong.
I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them, there were feelings. And now you